back to my channel. It's Djmahaneet and welcome to Leh, the capital city of Ladakh. We got here last evening, a chill winter morning, and you might have seen my last vlog. We came here from Kargil, from Srinagar. We came to Sonmarg to Kargil, and then from Kargil yesterday we came to Leh. Beautiful sunny morning here at Leh. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates to all my videos. So today we're going to be relaxing here at Leh. Not much planned. We're going to do a city tour to get acclimatized to the altitude. We are about 15,000 feet above sea level. So just going to wander around and do nothing much. So stay tuned for a chilled out Leh city tour. So we are staying at this beautiful property here at Leh. This is called the Ladakh Palace Boutique Hotel. Here's a quick tour of the property. You can stay here if you're coming to Leh. That's the property behind. Shanti Stupa here at Leh City. So we're climbing up the Shanti Stupa, and who's here? Trying to hide on the shade. This is the Leh Palace. We are doing a quick tour of the Leh Palace. Here is it. the Mall Road of Leh. do follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet. Also my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. That's from the Leh market in the Leh city. Hope you enjoyed this entire tour of Leh city. We're heading to Nubra and Pangong tomorrow. Stay tuned as we have an exciting day coming up tomorrow. So until tomorrow, it's going to be goodbye. I'm going to end the log. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates of all my videos. And give me a thumbs up if you do like this video. And if you have any comments, do write on the comment section below. So it's going to be a ciao, adios and goodbye for today.